Hey guys, I'm going to say 2 words. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. First, farm. Girl twirl. Barn dart. Nope. Her purr. Yep, those rhyme. Short fort. Rhyme. Now I'm going to say 3 words. I want you to tell me which one starts with a different sound. Here we go. Garlic, garnish, turkey. Turkey starts with a different sound. Before, textbook, batter. Textbook is different. Mr. Morning, silver. Silver is different. Person, return, reverse. Person is different. Berry, copper, better. Copper is different. Now I'm going to say the sounds in a word. I want you to blend them together to make a word. K-or. Core. B-R-N. Barn. F-R-M-er. Farmer. P-R-k. Park. P-orch. Porch. A-k-or-n. Acorn. Short-er. Shorter. Nurse. Nurse. Work. Work. Further. Further. Okay, now I am going to say a word. I want you to tell me the middle sound. It's going to be a bossy R sound. So R, or, one of those sounds, okay? So I say the word, you repeat it and say the middle sound. It will go like this. I say farm. You say farm. R is the middle sound, okay? Verb. Verb, short. Short, or. Dart. Dart, R. Girl. Girl, Fork. Fork, or. Turn. Turn, Third. Third, Now I'm going to say a word. I want you to tell me all the sounds in a word. Shark. You say sh, r, k. Baker. B, a, k, Mother. M, a, v, 30. T, yarn. Y-R-N, forgive. Forgive, starve. Starve, twirl. Twirl, germs. Germs. Great work. Okay, I would like you to say char, add k to the end. Shark. Say smar, add t. Smart. Say spark, add l. Sparkle. sparkle. Say score, add ch. Scorch. Say ver, add s. Verse. Say spore, add t. Sport. Say Turk, add e. Turkey. Now say turn without n. Tur. Say starve without v. Star. Say worm without m. Whir. Say course without s. Core. Say former without Form. Say burn without n. Burr. Say story without e. Store. Say mourn without n. More. Say sort without t. Soar. And say perch without ch. Purr. All right. Now I would like you to say flash. Now you said flash. Change ash to oat. Float. So you say full ash. You change ash to oat. Now you have full oat. Float. Say start. Whoops, losing my book. Start. Change art to ing. You still have st. You add ing. Now it's sting. Say troop. Oops, troop. Change oop to ought. Trot. Say slump. Change ump to eat. Sleet. Say plot. Change ought to eight. Plate. Say click. Change ick to ump. Clump. Say snail. Change ale to ugh. Slug. Say spoon. Change oon to oil. Oil. Spoil. Say score. Change or to oop. Scoop. Say bug. Change ugh to all. Ball. All right, you guys, that is it for today. Great work.